Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of NeoBalls. It's a toy and I just found them, so pretty interesting. I'm excited to get into this one. Hopefully you guys are too. So let's just hop into it. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Beckett and I'm here with another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing NeoBalls. I found these in my brother's room and I've heard they are magnetic balls that go together, and they sound really fun. So let's just review the purple box first. So I'll put this one to the side for later, and let's open this guy up. Whoa. So right off the bat, there's a lot of balls in here. As you can see, it's pretty full. Oh, and they're magnetic. Oh, so the balls are magnetic. Whoa, and they stick together. Oh, and let me just take them out of here really fast. Wow, these are really cool. So they're magnetic balls that stick together, and these ones are the purple ones. Wow, that's so fun. Whoa, wow, that's so cool. Whoa. So as you can see, it's pretty fun to play around with, and it's really magnetic. These balls are fun, but I wouldn't say they're NeoBalls. They're more like just purple. I was kind of expecting like neon balls, which is kind of a disappointment, but whatever. I guess neon balls are kind of hard to come by. Okay, moving on to the gold pack of NeoBalls. Let me slide off this. This is a very cool packaging for some toys. So just sliding off that packaging. Wow, so shiny. Really glistens. Let me pull these out and have a look at them. Wow, that's very cool. So I'm assuming this one is just the same thing but gold, and I think I'm right. It's just neon. Well, not exactly neon even. These are gold too. I mean, these aren't even neon. Which is pretty disappointing, if I must say so myself. Yeah, these are just, here, I'll take one off and show you guys. It's just little metallic balls that stick together. And you can just make little cool shapes with them. And whoa! Whoa. Okay. That's gonna take a toll on its ranking, or its number scale there. Kind of just lifted up the box. Not very pleased with that. These were fun. Let's get on to the ranking of them. Let's see how they stack up compared to other things that I've rated in the past. So these were really fun. I'd say that the packaging is really impressive. The way, oh no, I completely missed this warning. Oh no, it says these magnets are not toys for children. Swallowed magnets can stick together across intestines, causing serious injury or death. Keep away from children. Usage implies assumption of risk. I don't know what that means, but that is awful. That means that these aren't toys, they're weapons. That is terrible. And they're not even neon. Oh, God. All right. Well, let's give these a ranking then. 0 out of 10. Because they kill children. All right. So that was the video. Special thanks to someone supporting me on this video. Go check out his channel. It's Drum Hero on YouTube. DRUMHERO. He posts some really great content, so I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description. Go check him out.